So, a system that I've been really impressed by is Meshi.ai, and it allows you to convert text into 3D models. I tried with two famous people, so you can see the first version here, which is quite impressive. And you can export this model to an STL file, so you can 3D print it. Obviously, it might be necessary to make some adjustments, but for first version, I think this looks really neat. Also tried with another figure, and this is a draft version. And if you click on the refine option, you can get more details. So I think once again, it looks really neat. You get a few options to pick from if you want to refine it. So this allows you to pick the best option. So how does it work? Just enter a prompt. So we could add Ferrari Testarossa. I have to double check if I write it correctly, but let's see. And then you can pick what art style you want. So let's go for the realistic and click on generate. As you can see, it will take some time, but this allows me to talk about the different options. So you can pick realistic, cartoon, sculpture, low poly, and so on. And this allows you to use it for different purposes, from realistic models to making a model for your computer game to making models for your 3D printer and so on. I think it will be really cool for people that have a 3D printer at home and want to explore what they can do with it, and they don't have specific design skills or they don't have much time. So this text to 3D model will really allow you to use it for a lot of options. And also people that play board games such as Dungeons and Dragons can use these systems to make more advanced or realistic sculptures of their players. What I think is really cool is that you can get a few free tries so you can see if it's something for you or not. But so far, I've noticed that this is one of the better text to 3D options. I tried a few other ones, and this seems to be the best ones. I might have mistyped Ferrari, so let's see what result we'll get. And we will see one soon. It's important to make the prompts really specific because I entered Mars base in the future and the results was not that great because obviously there are a lot of ways to interpret this and the model might have no references for this. So at that point, the results weren't great. So this is why I picked more realistic or real life persons. So make sure to keep the prompts quite specific. And obviously, you can give it a few tries, just adjust the text and see how it goes. So I hope they are able to do something with my mistyped Ferrari Testarossa. Let's see in a second what results we'll get. But I think this Meshi technology is really exciting. It's one of the best I've seen so far. I tried a few other ones that were pretty good as well, but especially the textures were not that detailed. I think it's really impressive. They get even the hairs quite right, the wrinkles in the neck. I think, yeah, their model has a lot of potential. Yeah, I think it's really impressive. They might have used some database with pictures, so if your prompt is not that specific or well known, it might result in lower end results. Let's go over this model. It's not perfect, this one. Especially the hands seem to be quite off. Okay, oh wow. Getting my Ferrari as well. Wow, yeah, I think this looks really impressive. They might have a database with these models. So, as I said before, if you pick real life objects, you will get better results. Whereas if your prompts are less realistic, you might go nowhere. But wow, this looks really good. I remember this is just a draft that I can still refine. So, yeah, really impressive technology that can revolutionize game development and also 3D printing. So check it out for free. It's meshi.ai and have a great day.